Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cybersecurity with Kali Linux. Think of Kali Linux as a toolbox packed with powerful tools for ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is like being a good guy hacker. You're using hacking skills to find and fix weaknesses in computer systems, but with permission. Kali Linux is a favorite among security professionals and aspiring ethical hackers. It comes loaded with tools for penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, and security audits. Whether you're just starting your cybersecurity journey or want to explore advanced techniques, Kali Linux is an awesome playground to learn and practice in a safe environment. Ready to unleash your inner ethical hacker? Let's get started. Before we install Kali Linux, let's make sure your computer can handle it. Don't worry, the requirements are pretty basic. A computer with a 64-bit processor, most modern computers have this, at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes or more is recommended for smoother performance, around 20 gigabytes of free hard drive space for Kali Linux, and a USB drive, at least 8 gigabytes, to create a bootable Kali Linux installer. That's it. Once you've got these covered, you're ready for the next step. Now let's grab the Kali Linux installation files. Head over to the official Kali Linux website using your web browser. On the website, you'll find different Kali Linux versions. For beginners, I recommend the Kali Linux installer image. Make sure you choose the correct image for your computer's architecture. If you're unsure, go for the 64-bit version, as it's the most common. Once you've downloaded the Kali Linux image, we're ready to create a bootable USB drive. We need to put the Kali Linux image onto your USB drive. This makes it bootable, meaning your computer can start up directly from the USB. For this, you need a tool to burn the image onto the USB drive. A popular and easy-to-use tool is called Rufus. You can download it for free online. Once you have Rufus, run the program. It will guide you through the process of selecting the Kali Linux image you downloaded and the USB drive you want to use. Double-check you've selected the correct drive to avoid accidentally erasing data. Click Start and let Rufus do its thing. This might take a few minutes. Once it's done, you have your bootable Kali Linux USB drive. Section 5. Installing Kali Linux, Step-by-Step Guide. Now comes the exciting part, installing Kali Linux. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have a smooth and successful installation process. First, boot from the USB. This is a crucial step as it allows your computer to read the installation files from the USB drive. Plug your bootable Kali Linux USB drive into your computer. Make sure the USB drive is properly inserted and recognized by your system. Restart your computer and enter the boot menu. This menu is where you can select the device you want to boot from. This is usually done by pressing a key like F12, SE, or delete during startup. The specific key can vary, so check your computer's manual if you're unsure. The exact key depends on your computer's manufacturer. Common keys include F2, F10, and F12, but it can differ based on the brand and model. Next, select the USB drive. This tells your computer to boot from the USB drive instead of the internal hard drive. In the boot menu, you'll see a list of boot options. Look for the one that corresponds to your USB drive. Select your USB drive to boot from it, then start the installation. This will initiate the Kali Linux installer. You'll see the Kali Linux boot menu. This menu offers several options for installation and troubleshooting. Choose Graphical Install for a user-friendly installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to avoid any mistakes. The installer will guide you through language selection, keyboard layout, network configuration, and other settings. These steps are straightforward, but take your time to ensure everything is correct. Choose the options that are right for you. Now, partitioning. This step is crucial as it determines how your hard drive space will be allocated. This is where you decide how to divide your hard drive space. If you're unsure, it's best to follow the recommended settings. For beginners, I suggest using the guided. Use entire disk option to keep things simple. Next, install Grub Bootloader. This is an essential component for booting your system. Grub is what helps your computer boot into different operating systems if you have multiple. It's a versatile bootloader that supports a wide range of operating systems. Install it to the recommended location, usually your hard drive. Finally, complete the installation. The installer will take care of the rest. Once the installation is complete, remove the USB drive and reboot your computer. This will allow your system to boot into the newly installed Kali Linux. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Kali Linux. Now you can start exploring the powerful tools and features it offers. Section 6. Booting into Kali Linux, your first look. After rebooting, you'll see the Grub bootloader. Select Kali Linux to boot into your newly installed system. You'll be greeted with the Kali Linux login screen. The default username is root and the password is Tor. Remember, the root account has full administrative privileges, so it's essential to create a regular user account for everyday use later on. Section 7. Essential configurations. Setting up your Kali Linux system. In this section, we will walk you through the crucial steps to get your Kali Linux system up and running smoothly. Before we dive into ethical hacking tools, let's configure a few things. First, update your system. Keeping your system updated is essential for security and performance. Open a terminal, the command line interface, and run the following commands. sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Why? This will fetch the latest package information and upgrade your installed packages. This ensures you have the latest software and security updates. Regular updates are crucial to protect your system from vulnerabilities and to ensure you have the latest features. Next, create a user account. This step is important for maintaining system security and managing user permissions effectively. For security reasons, create a non-root user account for your daily tasks. Using a non-root account minimizes the risk of accidental system changes or security breaches. In the terminal, use the following command, replacing your username with your desired username. Sudo aduser your username. This command will guide you through the process of setting up a new user. Follow the prompts to set a password and provide user information. Make sure to choose a strong password to enhance security. Finally, install additional software. Kali Linux comes with a vast repository of tools, but you might need to install additional software based on your needs. Explore the repository to find tools that suit your specific requirements. You can use the App Package Manager for this. Simply use the command sudo apt install, followed by the name of the software you wish to install. This will download and install the software from the repository. Section 8. Exploring Kali Linux, a sneak peek at ethical hacking tools. Kali Linux is a powerful and versatile operating system specifically designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It comes pre-installed with hundreds of tools that are essential for ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals. Now for the fun part, exploring the ethical hacking tools that come bundled with Kali Linux. These tools are designed to help you identify, analyze, and mitigate security vulnerabilities in various systems and networks. Nmap is a powerful network scanner for discovering hosts and services on a network, identifying open ports and detecting vulnerabilities. It is widely used for network inventory, managing service upgrade schedules, and monitoring host or service uptime. The Metasploit framework is a comprehensive framework for developing and executing exploits, allowing you to simulate real-world attacks in a controlled environment. It is an invaluable tool for penetration testers, providing a suite of tools to test the security of systems and networks. Burp Suite is a web vulnerability scanner and intercepting proxy for testing web applications, identifying security flaws, and practicing web application security. It is essential for anyone involved in web application security testing, offering a range of tools to help you find and fix vulnerabilities. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer that captures and inspects network traffic, helping you understand how networks communicate and identify potential issues. It is widely used for network troubleshooting, analysis, software and protocol development, and education. AirCrackEng is a suite of tools for assessing Wi-Fi network security, including monitoring network traffic, cracking passwords, and performing penetration testing on wireless networks. It is a must-have for anyone looking to secure their wireless networks or test their security measures. These tools, when used responsibly, can help you build a robust security posture and protect your digital assets from potential threats. Ethical hacking is not just about finding vulnerabilities, but also about understanding how to fix them and prevent future attacks. So, dive in, explore these tools, and start your journey towards becoming a proficient ethical hacker. Section 9. Level up your cybersecurity skills. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the world of ethical hacking with Kali Linux. Remember, Ethical hacking is a continuous learning process. Stay curious, explore the vast resources available online, and always practice ethical hacking in a safe and legal environment. Start with the basics. Gradually explore more advanced tools and techniques, and never stop learning. Happy hacking!